Advanced English vocabulary brought to you by English Idioms Online. Feasible, feasible, feasible. When something is feasible, it is capable of being done, being made, or achieved. Possible or likely to succeed, such as a feasible plan. Suitable, or capable of being used or dealt with successfully, such as a feasible schedule. Sometimes as well, feasible means likely, probable, or within reason, such as a feasible story or explanation. Here are some examples of how to use feasible in a sentence. Is it feasible? She asks. Yes, it's feasible, but it's going to cost a lot of money. It's not feasible to continue. If we keep using this treatment, his life may be in danger. We have to improve the road before we can start building. This old dirt road is not feasible for trucks, especially when it rains. His story is feasible, but he's lied before. We can't give everybody a bonus this year. It's just not financially feasible. Working from home is not feasible for most people. I am lucky to be able to do it. Technically, personal jetpacks are feasible, but they are much too expensive and dangerous. Also, the noun version of feasible is feasibility. The committee is studying the feasibility of monthly checks to all citizens. The adverb form of feasible is feasibly. A treatment is only feasibly useful if the side effects are manageable over the treatment period.